So this is a Seasonic PX-1600, and that's the, I guess they're maybe not their top line, but pretty close to it. They might have like another model that's like 80 plus, I don't know, titanium or something like that. I didn't think it was really worth it, but this is like an insane power supply. Nice thing about it is it's ATX 3, so it'll support like the 4090s, all that stuff with the 12 very high power port, which I know that the 3090 Ti has. Let's see what's in here. Blah, blah, blah. Installation guide. Oh, I guess these are some cable ties, stickers, all that good stuff. I'm assuming this is all cables. Yeah. So, a ton of generic cables. Our main power cord. What's this? What in the world? Huh. Never seen anything like that. A 24-pin ATX 90-degree adapter. Huh, interesting. I guess that's for like cable management. I'll just take all this out of the bag. SATA. Another picture we're gonna need. Molex, we won't need that. Actually, I hope that there's more Molex, because I have to run multiple ones. Otherwise, I might need to get like a SATA Molex adapter or something. CPU. That looks like motherboard. That's a 600 watt, 16 pin PSU to another CPU. And there's the other 600 watt. This power supply can drive two. Another CPU. Interesting. That's a PCIe. PCIes. Yeah. Yeah, PCIe. Yeah, PCIe. Another SATA, a little tiny one. With a box this big, I was like, oh my god, is this actually gonna even fit in the case? But it looks like it. It's just standard ATX size. It's just like this box is really long. Seasonic, ATX. You see the two 16-pin 12 volts, very high power. Nuts.